Hi guys, and welcome to my 200 subscriber special video. Basically this is my train sets that I have. What I'm going to do is run every train set that I have here as a running session. Just some information before I start on the train sets that I have. The Smoky Joe and the Flying Scotsman was my third train set, technically fourth train set overall. Got them from Index, which is, shows you how old I am. Index is not available no more. And they all come with the controllers I use. Like so. I've got different mats. I prefer that mat to the current one. Then we have the Harry Potter, which is the first film I believe. First film, I don't know. First film I believe. So yep, that was a bargain. Then I have the more recent Hornby Santa Express, which came out in about 2014. And then I have my first train set over there from Hornby. I got that when I was 8, but that's a moderner one. It's got the gold style track. I think it's nickel plated, is it? They're all going to be run around today. But I would like to thank everybody who's helped me and supported me with my channel. I really appreciate it. And thanks to all you. And I hope you enjoyed the running session. Any questions or comments, just comment down below and I'll get straight back to you. Alright guys, enjoy the running session and thank you once again. Bye. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the 200 subscriber special. We had two my first railway or my first train set Legos, because I had the original one from when I was a kid, and I got a really new one. The one that performed really for was the old one. It just needs an MOT, I believe, a service. Then we had, before that, we had Flying Scotsman, which is tender driven as well. And we had Santa Express, which has been a little bit of a diva. And then we have these two, Smoky Joe and, well, one of my Hogwarts. I have three. So yeah, guys, thank you for the support, and I hope you enjoy the videos that are coming in the future. Until next time, guys, thank you very much, and goodbye.